here she was, in a helicopter, in the dark, flying toward a woman who needed her. And the fear was gone. In its place was something clean and clear and certain. Purpose. The motel was a single-story horseshoe of peeling paint and flickering neon. Room 7. Harrison knocked twice, paused, twice again. The door opened a crack. The woman inside looked like she had been through a war, which, Sarah supposed, she had. Dark eyes, hollow cheeks, a makeshift bandage on her shoulder that had soaked through entirely, and another wound at her side.